Hello everyone, this is Shayna. Thank you for joining me at Kaiyuni Kreations. And I want to welcome you tonight. We're going to look at a mini album, just to flip through it, just to give you an idea of what I've been up to. And for those of you who subscribed to the last video, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And I hope you enjoy this one. So this here, it's Christmas themed, just a mini album that I did. And I actually used the Sugar Plum paper pack from Recollections by Michaels. It's just another one of those classic paper pads where you have your classic plaids, you know, the cupcakes, the gingerbread. So just classic patterns that really don't go out of fashion. And these are what they have available in there. And, you know, I've used some of it. Still got a ways to go. But this is what I used, just to give you an idea. Okay, and you can see I've got some left over. So I'm going to put this aside. So on the cover here, these are actually cut aparts that I took from the paper pack, and then I just embellished them. Use the die cuts to make the snowflakes, and just a little bit of a sheer ribbon embellishment with a glass gem. And it is a hardcover. I just kind of use the same candy stripe paper from the front here, just along the spine. It does to some extent cover up some of the binding, which is fine. And this is what it looks like from above. You have more of a sheer ribbon peeking out. So let's go ahead. So on the inside cover, this is another one of the cut aparts that I used from the collection. And I layered it with no glitter cardstock just to bring it out a little bit. But this is just for you to perhaps put your name down, or the name of the person you would give something like this to. On the first page here, I flanked the little red strip with just, I love this lace, this kind of a border lace. And these are just little buttons that I embellished with flat gemstones. And here, this is a little tuck away position. So we have a bookmark. This I got from an Echo Park Christmas digital set. So you can print them off and pretty much cut out whatever you would like to put with it. And these are just little journaling cards, or you can put a photograph at the back here, make a note in front, or just use it to journal at the back there. So this is what that is, and this is also made from a cut apart, and then this is the paper from the pack that I backed it with. Here we have another journaling card, again another cut apart from the paper pack. This just looks like a postage stamp, like a postcard. The back is plain. You can put a photograph here, or you know, whatever you want to embellish it with. So here you have the beautiful lace, and of course the tuck spot in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and tuck these back in here. And of course, you can add more. There's room for you to add more items, more photographs as you go along. So this is the first page. So what let's start here. So I have like a little wraparound area here. So it's inside here, I just put the word joy in there. And then this actually unfolds. I don't know if you can see that. So you can put up to like 4, like maybe passport size pictures here. And then you also have it on the other side. And these are all, you know, pages from that paper pack. And when you're done, you could always seal it back. You use the baker's twine. This is just a brad that I secured in, so you to hook that up. And then here we have another pocket. These are again cut aparts that I use embellished with the paper from the pack. So you can see that. So you can use that for writing on. You can use the back to write with, or do a photograph. Same thing here, another cut apart that I used. This is just a lace edge trim that I use to make that edge, and the back is plain. Here we have just a piece of a white doily that I use to separate the top of that pocket from here. And then you have a giant tag in here. Again, you can write journal on it, or you can put your photographs on it, whichever you use. It's up to you. It's just a simple tag cut out using the paper. And then here you have the word Mary that I did with one of my die cuts. So go ahead and tuck this back in here. We can put these back in, it doesn't take long. And it's only about 2 sections in it, so I kept it small and short. Over here we're going to have a beautiful waterfall and use different reds in the packet. So it holds, each one will hold 2 photographs. So you have 2, 4, 6, so you get 8 photographs. And then I just ended at the back here, there's a little pocket with the word joy. This is used as a die cut as well. And another little tuck spot in here. So I have another little card in here that's made from one of the cut aparts. So, you know, you can maybe journal on that or tuck additional photographs in here. So this is it. This is what we have. And then I just do this bright, just a little bit of a glitter ribbon, just to break up the green a little bit. And then I have 2 brads in here, which are mostly decorative because it's all held together with glues and paste. So we come to the next sheet. I brought the ribbon over again. I stopped it just at the top of the pockets, just for embellishment. And you have the brads again that actually go through the spine. And here we have some 3D stickers, the deer and mason jars. I just thought these were cute. We have the beautiful paper here. And then these are just tuck spots for photographs. And these are just more cards that I put in there to show how they work. But, you know, there and there. And then this is just a Merry Christmas sticker. And the stickers are from the Echo Park Christmas sticker set that I had gotten. And then over here we have the same spaces, same 2 pockets. We have another one of those little postcard things. I just think it's so cute and green. Normally it comes in red and blue, but here it is in green. And again, just more embellishment. You can make your little wish list. Have another sticker there as well. So I'm going to tuck these back in. And at the bottom here, I just use a little bit of the shiny cardstock just to make a little bit of contrast. So it just peeks out there. Okay. And then on the final page at the back, I brought the lace over here. I did not put it on this side as well, just kept it on the one side. This is another cut apart from the paper pack that I embellished with this hexagonal shape that I cut out with a die. And then over here we have room for more photographs. So this will hold 2 back and front. And then you have 3, 4, and 5. So you can put 5 photographs in here easily if you so choose. And it's just a little embellishment that we have at the top there. So this is it. I kept the back plain. So this is what it looks like from the side, front, and above. And I hope you liked it. Well, in case it gets very full and you want it to hold together, I do have just a simple white ribbon here. And you don't have to use this, but if it gets full and you want to make sure things don't fall out, you could always tie it with a ribbon. So I hope this tutorial, well, not tutorial, just a flip through. I hope it gave you ideas in case you wanted to make something similar. You can just hold this together like that to store, you know, your Christmas memories in. And also to use up all those paper packs that you may or may not have. So I hope this was useful and helpful for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to click like. And if you are new and this is the first time you're joining us, welcome. And I would love for you to subscribe so that you will get the next video when it comes out. And I will put the links down below to anything that you've seen here in the video. This I got, the die that I used to make this, I got it on Amazon. I can put that link below for you. I think it's cute. And yeah, and I will see you guys next time. And do enjoy your holidays. Bye.